Okay, dear student, now this is new problem. From the following information, prepare columnar petty cash book kept on Impress system in the books of Manisha bookstall Bede. Transaction first, that is April 2018. Opening petty cash balance is there 200. So this we have to show. We are showing regularly. Actually, in first transaction, the opening balance amount, the instruction is the same in every problem. So while we writing the opening petty cash balance, so we have to write two balance BD in the particular. And receipt side, this 200 we have to write receipt side. In total amount received column, we have to write this 200. Now the transaction on 2nd April 2018 received a bearer check to make up the impressed amount 1200. So this, there is the check. So we have to write in the particular to cash, and in the total amount received in the we have to write in column 1200. And transaction on 3rd April 2018 gave a tips to Pune. So this is the sundry expenses, and in particular we have to write by sundry expenses or by a tips to Pune, and in total amount paid column we have to write 40. And here for this transaction we have to prepare miscellaneous expenses. This accounting head we have to prepare for this transaction, and this 40 rupees we have to transfer to that respective account head, that is the miscellaneous expenses. And then transaction on 4th April 2018 purchase stationery. So especially for these transactions we prepares the account head, that is the printing and stationery. So in particular we have to write by stationery, and this 150, this amount first we have to write in total amount paid column, and then after that we have to make the effect of this 150 to their respective accounting heads, that is the printing and stationery. So these stationery, printing and stationery, this accounting head is very common. Actually in all problem we get this accounting head. Even miscellaneous expenses also is common. Now transaction on 5th April 2018 paid taxi fare. So this taxi fare, this expenses is related with the accounting head. The name is traveling and conveyance. So for this transaction, again we are required to prepare new accounting head, that is the traveling and conveyance. So in particular we have to write by taxi fare, and then this 35 rupees. This we have to write first in the total amount paid column, and then this 35 we have to transfer to the respective account head, that is the traveling and conveyance. And on 6th April 2018, the transaction is purchase stamp pad. This stamp pad is the this expenses we require to prepare new account head, that is the printing and stationery accounting heads. So this 140 first we have to write in total amount paid column, and then we have to transfer to the respective accounting head, that is the printing and stationery. So this is also common accounting head. And then transaction on 7th April, paid cartage. So for this we have to make entry to the particular by cartage, and for that new accounting head we are supposed to prepare, that is the cartage. And then this 40 rupees we have to first write in total amount paid column, and then we have to make the effect of this 40 rupees to their respective accounting head, that is the cartage account. And then transaction on 8th April 2018, paid bus fare. So this will also come in new accounting head, that is the traveling and conveyance. Actually this accounting head there is the transaction on 5th also, and this 8th April transaction paid bus fare. So in particular we have to write by bus fare, and this amount 30 rupees. This we have to write first in the total amount paid column, and then finally we have to make the effect of this 30 to their respective accounting head, that is the traveling and conveyance. And then transaction on 11th April 2018, paid to sweeper. Yes, paid to sweeper. Actually this is sundry expenses. So in particular we have to write that by sweeper, and in amount column, in total amount paid column we have to write this 50 rupees, and then after that we have to make the effect of this 50 rupees to their respective accounting head, that is the miscellaneous expenses account. And then the transaction on 13th April 2018, purchase a box of file. So this is stationery item, box of pencils. So this is stationery item. This particular we have to put to the accounting head, that is the printing and stationery. So in particular we have to write by purchase a box of pencil, and 40 rupees we have to write first in the total amount paid column, and then we have to make the effect of this 40 rupees to their respective accounting heads, that is printing and stationery. So there is 3 different transactions comes under this accounting head, that is on 4th April, and then that is on 6th April, and then this 13th April. These 3 transactions will come to the accounting head, that is the printing and stationery. And then on 14th April 2018, paid mobile charges. This mobile charges is the sundry expenses. As I told you in the earlier lecture, if we want, we can make the special accounting head, that is mobile charges, like that. But normally these expenses comes under the sundry expenses. And therefore, in particular, we have to write by mobile charges, paid for mobile charges, and this 35, first we have to write in the total amount paid column. And then after that we have to transfer, we have to make the effect of this 35 to their respective accounting heads, that is miscellaneous expenses or sundry expenses, we can say. Then transaction on 15th April 2018. Gave to Sohan on account. Actually, here there is a detail of personal account Sohan. This is being payment made by petty cashier to Sohan. So especially when the petty cashier release any amount to any person or to any personal account, so the entry of that we have to suppose make to their to the ledger account. And therefore in particular we have to write by gave to Sohan on account or by Sohan, like that. And this 250 we have to write first in the total amount paid column, right side. And then after that we have to make the effect of this 250 to their respective account, that is the ledger. And then transaction on 19th April, paid for refreshment to staff. So this refreshment, always we are making the effect of this to the miscellaneous expenses itself, because this payment regarding the refreshment, it treated as a sundry expenses. So in particular we have to write by payment for refreshment to staff, and this 150 we have to write first in the total amount paid column, and then finally we have to transfer this 150 to their respective accounting heads, that is miscellaneous expenses. So for miscellaneous expenses, near about the transaction on 3rd April, and then transaction on 11th April, and then transaction on 14th, and then this 19th. So all these transactions will come under the miscellaneous expenses head. And then after that, the transaction on 20 April, that is paid railway fare. So in particular we have to write by railway fare, and for this transaction we have to make the effect to the respective accounting head, that is the travelling and conveyance. So this 30 rupees we have to write first in total amount paid column, and then after that we have to transfer this 30 rupees to their respective accounting head, that is the travelling and conveyance. And then finally transaction on 21st April 2018, paid carriage. For this carriage we have to make the special, that is new accounting head, that is carriage. Even we can write this carriage along with the cartage also, but here suppose we are preparing new accounting head, that is the carriage. So in particular we have to write by carriage, and then this 65 we have to make the effect of this 65 first to the total amount paid column, and then after that we have to make the effect of this 65 to their respective accounting head, that is the carriage. So here total transaction I explain you theoretically. So normally how much accounting heads suppose we are required to prepare for this transaction, for this problem. So miscellaneous expenses, that is printing and stationery, traveling and conveyance, cartage, miscellaneous expenses, ledger. So this much account, this finally we carriage, we have to, for carriage and cartage we have to use same accounting head. There we will write cartage and carriage like that. So these all different accounting heads suppose we are required to prepare for this sum, and now the same problem I am going to solve, and you are required to put proper care on that. So while we prepare the column, we should remember that column should be proper. So in head note we have to write analytical petty cash book, and above to that we have to write in the books of we have to write the name of firm also. And the first column is the amount received column, and the second column is the date, and third column, that is the particular, and especially for this column we have to put some little larger space, because we have to require to write the nature of transaction here. And then after that voucher number and total amount paid. As I told you in earlier lecture also, in voucher number we are not writing anything. If there is any detail in the transaction about the voucher number, then only we write information in this column. Otherwise we leave blank this column. Then after that total amount paid column. Yes, this column is now, all these columns are now familiar with, because mostly all problem is solved which is given in our textbook. So in this column we have to make the effect of all payment amount in this column, and then after that the same amount we transfer to their respective accounting head. So after that there is a different accounting heads, that is carriage and cartage. Yes, just now I told you for carriage and cartage, for we make only one particular accounting head for both carriage and cartage. And then after that there is a printing and stationery, and then traveling and conveyance, and miscellaneous expenses, LF, this is ledger folio and ledger. So this is the format, and above that we have to write the analysis of petty cash expenses. And then our first transaction is there, opening balance. So in date we have to write first year 2018, then April 1st. So this is opening balance, and for opening balance the style of writing our balance, that is by to balance BD. This BD means brought down, and we use for the opening balance BD, and for closing balance we use CD. So to balance BD, and this amount 200 we have to write in the column, that is amount received. And then the second transaction is there on 2nd April. Received a bearer check to make up the impressed amount. So here we have to write to cash account. So that is 1200 we have to write in the amount received column, that is 1200. And transaction on 3rd April, gave a tips to peon. By, for payment we have to use by payment to peon, tips to peon. So amount first 40 rupees we have to write in the total amount paid column. This 40 rupees, this is total amount paid column. And this tips to peon, as just now I told you, this tips to peon, this is sundry expenses, and therefore we have to make the posting of this 40 rupees to the sundry expenses itself, means that is miscellaneous expenses 40 rupees. And then transaction on 4th April, that is purchase stationery by purchase stationery. The amount is 150. So we have to make the effect of 150 first to the total amount paid column. And then this stationery means this is official equipment. Stationery is required for office purpose. And then these expenses, for these expenses we are having this accounting head, that is the printing and stationery. So we have to make the effect of this 150 to the So we make the effect of this 150 to their respective accounting head, that is the printing and stationery. Then transaction on 5th. Paid taxi fare. So here in particular we have to write by paid for taxi fare. The amount is 35. So in total amount paid column we have to write 35. And this taxi fare, this expense will go to the accounting head, that is the traveling and conveyance. So this 35 we have to transfer to the accounting head, that is the traveling and conveyance. 35. Then transaction on 6th April, purchase stamp pad by purchase stamp pad. This stamp pad, this is expenses regarding the stamp pad we normally put to the accounting head, that is the printing and stationery, because this stamp pad is being used by the office and this is official expenses. And then 140 rupees in total amount paid column we have to write 140 rupees. And this amount we have to transfer to their respective accounting head, that is the printing and stationery. So 140 rupees we have to write in printing and stationery accounting heads. And now transaction on 7th April, paid cartage by paid cartage. Even we can write by cartage itself. So amount is 40 rupees. So this 40 rupees, so this cartage we prepare here first accounting head, that is carriage and cartage. So this 40 rupees we have to put in the first column. This is accounting head, carriage and cartage. And now transaction on 8th. Paid bus fare. So in particular we have to write by paid bus fare. So amount is 30 rupees. In total amount paid column we have to write 30 rupees. So these bus fare expenses normally we put to the accounting head, that is traveling and conveyance. And we are having traveling and conveyance accounting head in third column. So this 30 rupees we have to transfer to the third column, that is traveling and conveyance accounting head. And then transaction on 11th, paid to sweeper by paid to sweeper. This is sundry expenses. So amount is 50. Then this 50 amount we have to post to the miscellaneous expenses accounting heads. That is column number 4th. 50. And then transaction on 13th. Purchase a box of pencils. So in particular we have to write by purchase box of pencil. Amount is 40 rupees. So 40 rupees first we have to put to the total amount paid column. Earlier I told you box of pencil, this is expenses. This expenses comes under the accounting head, that is called by the name of printing and stationery, because this is official expenses. All official expenses regarding the stationery, it comes under this accounting head. So 40 rupees we have to transfer, we have to write this effect of 40 rupees to the printing and stationery column. And now transaction on 14th. Paid mobile charges by mobile charges. So this will go to the miscellaneous expenses accounting head, because this is sundry expenses, and amount is 35. So here we have to write 35 in total amount paid column, and then we have to transfer this amount to their respective accounting head, that is miscellaneous expenses, column number 4, 35. Then transaction on 15th, gave to Sohan on account. So here we have to write by Sohan, and amount is 250, and then we have to transfer. I told you earlier in the lecture that Sohan is a personal account, so for this we have to post amount 250 to the ledger. And now transaction on 19th, buy refreshment to staff. In total amount paid column it will come 150, and this expenses normally refreshment, स्टाफ को नाश्ता दिया, ये सन्ड्री एक्सपेंसेस में हम लोग काउंट करते हैं. सो वी विल मेक द इफेक्ट ऑफ 150 टू द मिसलेनियस एक्सपेंसेस. And now the transaction on 20, paid railway fare. that is 30 rupees. This 30 rupees we have to transfer to the related accounting head, that is traveling and conveyance. Then transaction on 21st, paid carriage. So here we have to write by carriage. That is 65. And for carriage we are having the first column, that is accounting head carriage and cartage. So we have to transfer this 65 to the first column itself. Now we have to proceed to the tally. So now the first column amount we have to make the total, that is amount received. So amount received will come 1400. And then we have to make the total of this 40, 150, 35, 140, 40, 30, 50, 40, 35, 250, 150, 30 and 65. The total will come 1055. And now we have to make the total of all the respective accounting head. So carriage and cartage total will come 105, 40 and 65, 105. And total of printing and stationery will come 150, 140 and 40. That is 330. And this total of traveling and conveyance 35, 30 and 30. This will be 95. Not 95. That is, yes, 95 total will come. And then 40, 50, 35 and 150 total will come 275. And this laser total will come 250. So this is the total expenses. And now this total expenses 1055 we have to less from the total amount received, that is 1400. So balance will come 345. So here we have to write balance 345, and here 31st 30 by balance CD. And now the both total 1055 and 345, both total will come 1400. And then this balancing 345 we have to transfer to the new, we have to transfer to the opening balance. So here after April we have to write May 1st, and this 345 will come to the total amount received, that is 345, and here in particular we have to write to balance BD. So now we completed the problem. In next lecture we will solve some new transaction.